Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of digital marketing. Whether you're a business owner, a marketing professional, or someone just looking to expand your knowledge, this video is for you. We'll be covering the key concepts that will help you understand what digital marketing is all about. First up, let's talk about search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is the process of improving your website's visibility and ranking on search engines like Google. By using keywords and optimizing your website's content, you can increase your chances of appearing higher up in search results, driving more traffic to your website. But it's not just about stuffing your website with keywords. You need to have high-quality content that is useful and relevant to your target audience. Next, we have pay-per-click or PPC advertising. PPC is a type of online advertising where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. This is a great way to drive traffic to your website and increase sales. The key is to target your ads to the right audience and choose the right keywords to bid on. You'll also need to have an effective landing page that will convert visitors into customers. Moving on, let's talk about content marketing. Content marketing is all about creating and sharing valuable content that will attract and engage your target audience. It's not just about promoting your products or services but providing helpful information. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, infographics, and more. By providing valuable content, you'll build trust with your audience and establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Finally, we have social media marketing. Social media marketing is the process of building your brand and promoting your products or services on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. It's a great way to connect with your audience, build relationships, and drive traffic to your website. But it's important to choose the right platforms and create a strategy that is tailored to your target audience. And there you have it, the key digital marketing concepts you need to know. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. If you found this overview of digital marketing helpful, please like, subscribe to the Thrifty Flex, and follow at Nievasop2 on Instagram for more online business tips. Like and follow for more digital marketing and entrepreneurship videos.